We are in Bethesda, Maryland, working on 2 older air conditioning systems. Got a whole bunch of issues here. You got to keep these systems serviced. This whole coil is completely clogged with dirt. It's been overheating. Capacitor is defective on this unit here. These units have not been serviced in 8 years. This coil here, completely clogged as well. And this capacitor is defective as well. A lot of issues, but we're gonna get them up and running. We're not gonna quote them a new system. We're gonna see if we can get these up and running for the next few years, and they'll be good to go. Today Heating and Air, 240-741-9211.